Welcome once again to my channel Blue Chip Finance, and this video is the sequence of previous video in which we discussed about FOH costing or variance analysis in the light of previous papers of Punjab University. So in paper 2016 and 2019, there are two questions appeared in paper 2016, in which one question is related to high-low method. So we are going to just skip this question of high-low method, and we will discuss this question in the video in which we will discuss about the high-low method. So second question of this paper, which is appeared also in paper 2019, and the question is that during the year 2012, Shamsuddin and Company Limited produced 750,000 units. At this activity level, factory overhead cost were rupees 11 lakh. Before the start of 2012, accountant of the company estimated annual activity level as 850,000 units and factory overhead as 1275,000. Thus, factory overhead applied rate was rupees 1.50 per unit. 60% of factory overhead applied rate is composed of variable cost. So first important thing is to extract the data from the question. So during the year 2012, Shamsuddin and Company Limited produced 750,000 units. So which means these 752,000 units are capacity attained. So at this activity level, factory overhead cost were rupees 11 lakh. So actual factory overhead is 11 lakh. Before the start of 2012, accountant of the company estimated annual activity level as 850,000 units. So budgeted capacity is 850,000 and factory overhead as rupees 1275,000. So it is budgeted FOH. So thus factory overhead applied rate was 1.50. So our head applied rate, FOH applied rate, is also given per unit. 60% of factory overhead applied rate is composed of variable cost. So FOH applied rate, as I discussed earlier, that FOH applied rate is equals to fixed rate plus variable rate. So if FOH applied rate is 1.50, in which 60% of FOH applied rate is composed of variable cost, so we can calculate very easily about the per unit variable rate and fixed rate. So 1.50 multiplied by 0.60 equals to 0.9. So which means 0.9 is variable cost and the rest is 0.6 is fixed cost per unit. So what is the requirement of the question? First, budgeted fixed factory overhead, under or over applied factory overhead, volume variance and budget variance. So first of all, we are going to calculate budgeted fixed factory overhead. So here our budgeted fixed factory overhead, first of all, what is your total budgeted factory overhead? Total budgeted factory overhead is 1275,000. So 1275,000 is your estimated or budgeted total FOH. And as you know that total FOH is equals to fixed FOH plus variable FOH. So we can say that estimated or budgeted total FOH minus estimated variable FOH is equals to budgeted fixed FOH. जिस तरह total cost equals to fixed cost plus variable cost है, बिल्कुल उसी तरह budgeted fixed factory overhead is equals to estimated total FOH minus estimated variable FOH. So budgeted fixed factory overhead equals to estimated total FOH, that is 1275,000, and minus estimated variable FOH. So variable is activity level is 850,000, budgeted activity level is 850,000, and multiply by variable rate. So what is variable rate? We already calculated 1.5 multiplied by 0.60 is variable rate, and minus 1.5, that is fixed rate. So 1.50 multiplied by 0.60, so 1275,000 minus 765,000 equals to 510,000. That is budgeted fixed factory overhead. The next requirement is under or over applied factory overhead, which is always equals to actual FOH minus applied FOH. And actual FOH is given, and that is 11 lakh. At this activity level, factory overhead cost per rupees 11 lakh. So that is actual FOH. And budgeted applied FOH is equals to capacity attained multiplied by applied rate. So applied rate is 1.50, and your capacity attained is 750,000 units. So 750,000 units multiplied by applied rate, that is 1.50, is 1125,000. So actual FOH 11 lakh minus 11 lakh 25,000, it is over applied 25,000. The next requirement is to calculate volume variance. Volume variance is always equals to applied FOH, that is 1125,000, less budgeted FOH at capacity attained or actual volume. Budgeted FOH at capacity attained is budgeted fixed FOH plus capacity attained multiplied by budgeted rate. So budgeted fixed FOH is 510,000, budgeted fixed FOH plus actual volume or capacity attained. Capacity attained is 750,000. Capacity attained is unit produced is 750,000 multiply by variable rate. So variable rate is equals to 0.9. So 750,000 multiplied by 0.9 plus 1185,000. So that is budgeted fixed budgeted FOH at capacity attained. So the answer is minus 60,000, that is unfavorable. Now what is budgeted variance? That is fourth requirement of this question. Budgeted variance is always equals to budgeted FOH at capacity attained or actual volume, that is 1185,000, plus actual FOH. Actual FOH is given in the question, that is 11 lakh. So just subtract these two and 85,000 positive, so that is favorable. Next question of FH costing variable analysis is about the paper 2011 supplementary, 2012 and 2013 annual. The question is that annual estimated factory overhead of a company for an expected volume of 180,000 pounds of a product was as follows. So that is budgeted capacity because it is annually estimated. So this is budgeted capacity and fixed overhead rupees 36,000 and variable overhead 108,000. Output was 10,000 pounds in June and actual overhead expenses were rupees 7,700. So all this data is related to budgeted. For example, expected volume. So budgeted capacity is 180,000. Budgeted fixed overhead is 36,000 and budgeted variable overhead is 108,000. And output, this line is related to the actual production. So output was 10,000 pounds in June. So actual capacity attained or actual volume is 10,000 and actual FOH is 7,700. So what are the requirements? So requirement is to calculate the overhead rate per unit, or you can say applied rate, applied FOH rate. And the next thing is spending variance, and number 3 is ill capacity variance. So first of all, we are going to calculate overhead or applied rate. Applied rate is always equals to fixed rate plus variable rate on budgeted capacity. So if FOH, budgeted FOH is given and budgeted capacity is given in the question, then we simply divide these two. But here you can observe that budgeted capacity is given, but budgeted FOH is not given. Instead, fixed overhead, budgeted fixed overhead and budgeted variable overhead is given. So budgeted total FOH is always equals to budgeted fixed overhead plus budgeted variable overhead. So we just add up these two, 36,000 and 108,000 and divided by budgeted capacity, that is 180,000. So just divide these two and FOH applied rate is 0.8 per pound. And from here you can also calculate variable rate and fixed rate if these are required in the calculation. For example, your fixed overhead is 36,000 and 36,000 and divided by 180,000, that is 0.2, and your variable rate is 108,000 divided by 180,000, that is 0.6. So 0.6 is variable rate and 0.2 is fixed rate. So what is the next requirement is to calculate spending variance. So spending variance is equals to budgeted FOH for capacity attained minus actual FOH. So budgeted FOH for capacity attained, we discussed a lot of time about budgeted FOH for capacity attained. It is always equals to budgeted fixed FOH plus capacity attained multiplied by variable rate. So fixed FOH is 3,000. Why it is 3,000? Because we are going to calculate monthly. Output was 10,000 pounds in June and actual overhead expenses were rupees 7,700. So it is all related to only 1 month. But here you can observe one thing, that your budgeted capacities and budgeted fixed overhead and budgeted variable overhead is on the basis of annually. So why we are going to calculate monthly? Because of this, because actual output is related to only 1 month, whereas our budgeted data is related to yearly basis. So 36,000 divided by 12, 36,000 divided by 12, so that is your fixed overhead, or you can say fixed budgeted overhead related to 1 month is 3,000. So 3,000 plus capacity attained is 10,000. 10,000 multiplied by variable rate, we already calculated variable rate, that is 0.6. So your budgeted FOH for capacity attained is 9,000, and actual FOH, which is obviously given in the data, that is 7,700 minus 7,700, and result is positive 1,300, that is favorable. And L capacity variance is equals to applied FOH. Applied FOH is always related to or equals to capacity attained multiplied by applied rate. Applied rate, as you can observe here, that 0.8, and capacity attained is 7,700. So your applied FOH is capacity attained, that is 10,000 units, multiplied by FOH applied rate, that is 0.8, equals to 8,000. So 8,000 minus budgeted FOH for capacity attained, we already calculated here, that is equals to 9,000, and the result is minus 1,000, so that is unfavorable. Next question about FOH costing or variable costing is the question which has appeared in paper 2010 and 2007 supplementary. And the question is that normal operating capacity of a company's power plant is estimated to be 47,50,000 kilowatt per hour, kilowatt hours per month. So that is budgeted capacity, because it is estimated capacity. So at this estimated capacity, at this level of activity, fixed overhead, which means fixed budgeted fixed overhead, because it depends on estimates, is estimated to be 171,000, and variable, or you can say budgeted variable overhead, is 209,000. So you can say that 47,50,000 or 47,50,000 kilowatt per month is your budgeted capacity, in which at this level of activity, at this level of budgeted activity, your budgeted fixed overhead is 171,000 and your budgeted variable overhead is 209,000. During November, the power plant produced 50 lakh kilowatt or so, that is actual capacity. Actually, the power plant produced 50 lakh kilowatt hours, and your actual overhead, or you can say actual FOH for the month total 393,000. So that is all about the data. Now, what are the requirements? You are asked to calculate over or under applied overhead, and second thing is spending variance, and third thing that you will have to calculate L capacity variance. So first of all, over or under applied overhead, you know well that it is always equals to actual FOH minus applied FOH, and applied FOH is always equals to capacity attained multiplied by applied rate, FOH applied rate. So further, FOH applied rate is always equals to fixed rate plus variable rate, and there are many ways through which we can calculate fixed and variable rate. If your total budgeted FOH is given and total budgeted capacity is given, just simply divide 2 and you can calculate applied FOH. But here you can observe that your budgeted capacity is given, but total FOH is not given. Instead of here your fixed budgeted FOH and variable budgeted FOH is given. So simply variable FOH is given. So simply just add up these two, fixed and variable, which is equals to total FOH. The total budgeted FOH 171,000 plus 209,000 divided by 4750,000, which is equals to 0.08. So that is your FOH applied rate or absorption rate, which is equals to 0.08. You can also calculate your variable and fixed FOH applied rate, or simply variable rate and fixed rate. That is your variable FOH value, which is 209,000 divided by your budgeted capacity, that is 4750,000, and that is equals to 0.044. So 0.044 is your variable rate and remaining is your fixed rate. Your fixed rate is 0.756. So here we need two different rates in this question. One is FOH applied rate and other one is variable rate. So FOH applied rate is 0.08 and variable rate is 0.044. So now we turn to the question that actual FOH, which is given in the question, 393,000 less applied FOH. Applied FOH, I already explained you that it is equals to capacity attained multiplied by FOH applied rate. FOH applied rate is 0.08, we calculated, and your capacity attained is 50 lakh kilowatt hours. So 50 lakh kilowatt hours multiplied by 0.08 equals to 4 lakh, and 393,000 minus 4 lakh minus 7,000, that is over applied. So the next thing is spending variance. Spending variance is equals to budgeted FOH for capacity attained. Budgeted FOH for capacity attained is always equals to budgeted fixed FOH plus capacity attained multiplied by variable rate. Variable rate we already calculated, 0.044, and capacity attained is 50 lakh kilowatt hours, and fixed FOH is 171,000. So 171,000 plus capacity attained multiplied by variable rate equals to 391,000 less actual FOH. Actual FOH is given 393,000 and answer is minus 2,000, that is unfavorable. And ill capacity variance is applied FOH. Applied FOH we already calculated here, and that is 4 lakh less budgeted FOH for capacity attained, which we already calculated, 391,000. Just subtract these two and answer is positive 9,000, that is favorable. Next question is FOH, about FOH costing or variable analysis, is about the paper of 2008, in which question is that Scientific Instrument Company estimated its factory overhead for the year as rupees 450,000 fixed plus a variable rate of rupees 25 per direct labor hour. So from here we are going to extract our data that estimated factory overhead for the year is rupees 450,000 fixed plus a variable rate of rupees 25 per direct labor hour, and factory overhead absorption by the cost accountant is rupees 55 per direct labor hour, and during the year the factory worked for 18,000 hours, so that is capacity attained, and actual factory overhead or actual FOH is 936,000. So data is that your budgeted FOH is 450,000. Fixed plus a variable rate is 25 per direct labor hour. Factory overhead absorption by the cost accountant is rupees 55 per direct labor hour. So it is a different question from previous questions, that one FOH applied rate is given here, that is rupees 25, and one is estimated by the accountant, that is 55. So all the remaining data is same as in the previous question. So what are the requirements? Requirement is to calculate spending variance and yield capacity variance. So first of all, spending variance is equals to budgeted FOH for capacity attained, which is equals to fixed plus a variable rate. Okay, it is 450,000 is fixed budgeted FOH. So budgeted FOH for capacity attained is fixed FOH, that is 450,000, plus capacity attained is 18,000 hours, multiplied by variable rate is given here 25, and it is equals to 9 lakh, and actual FOH is equals to 936,000. So result is minus 36,000, that is unfavorable. So yield capacity variance is equals to applied FOH less budgeted FOH for capacity attained. Budgeted FOH for capacity attained we already calculated is 9 lakh, and applied FOH is always equals to capacity attained multiplied by FOH applied rate. So FOH applied rate which is estimated by the accountant is 55, or you can say absorption rate. Absorption rate and FOH applied rate are both same things, and that is 55. So you don't have to calculate it, it is already calculated 55. So capacity attained is 18,000 hours. 18,000 multiplied by 55 is 990,000. So applied FOH is 990,000. 990,000 minus less budgeted FOH for capacity attained is 9 lakh, and that is positive 90,000, that is favorable. सो ये जो सारे क्वेश्चंस थे ये आपके तमाम पेपर्स के अंदर जो FOH कॉस्टिंग या वेरिएंस एनालिसिस के ऊपर थे, अदर देन हाई लो मेथड. सो जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे वो डिस्कस हो चुके हैं पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी के, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो हमारी वेरिएंस एनालिसिस, FOH कॉस्टिंग वेरिएंस एनालिसिस अबाउट हाई लो मेथड होगी. Till then, take care of yourself, stay blessed, take care of yourself and other persons around you. Thank you.